Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Chat Under FX, and today we're going to be looking at Boom 1000 and Crash 1000 indices. So today we have a very simple strategy, and I've tested this strategy over 50 times, and it's proven to be 95% accurate. 95% accurate. As you all know, trading is very risky, and not every trade is going to go your way. But I'm here to make sure that you take confident trade. It's not every time that you get to win, but I'm here to minimize the time that you get to lose. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's get straight into it. Okay, so here is a simple strategy. So you're going to need two indicators, the RSI and the moving average, which I've already set up. So let me just show you the settings. So you go here. First you set up your RSI. Set your period to 14 over here. Then apply to close. After that, set where it says styles, set the color to your background. So if your background is black, make it black like mine. If your background is white, make it white. And then levels, set it to 15 yeah, and 85. So 15 and 85. And then time frames, just leave it like that over there. It doesn't matter, right? And after you're done, just click save. Then we go into a moving average. So we want to add a moving average to our chart. Before it says period, you set it to 5. Shift, just leave it as it is. Method, exponential. Apply to weighted close. So here, you just go, you pick weighted close, right? And you choose whatever color you want. That's it. Click save, right? Now let's go back. So here, for Boom, make sure you're selling. So we're going to be using Boom 1000 to look for sales only. So we're looking for sale trades only. That's how I realized. That's how I managed to make more profit using this strategy. So please listen carefully and let me show you how it's done. And like I said, we're looking to sell only for Boom 1000. Crash 1000, that's what we're going to look for buy trades. So for now, we're looking at sell trades. So without wasting your time, let's get straight into it. Okay. Let me just get my tools right there. Okay. Right. So just move this right there. Okay. So we're not looking for a sell. We want to look for a point where the moving average crosses level 85 right here and then comes back inside the level. So over here, as you can see, it went up, then came back down inside. So here you'd like to place a trade once it gets to this point. Once it gets to this point, and as you can see, if we look at the chart, this point is roughly around here, somewhere here. So this is where you take your trade. So you place a sell here. That's where you place a sell. In fact, hold on. I know the color might confuse some people. So yeah, this is where you'd want to place your sell trade right there. Sell right there. So if you would have sold right here, you should have gone all the way down here. And if you had kept on holding, you could have taken your profits here or taken your profits here. But here's the thing. With this strategy, right, I don't want to lie to you. Like I said, trading is very risky. So listen up. With this strategy, once you see that these ticks is going up and you've opened up a sell, close that trade immediately. And I advise you not to use a take profit. So if it goes above, if it's going up like this and you've taken a sell, close the trade. So once you see it going down, hold that position. Most likely to go down and you can take your profits here or here. And here with the minimum lot size, you can make maybe $10 or $5 depending on your lot size. So let's look at another example. So here we can see price went above 85 level, which is somewhere here. So you would place your sale somewhere here, which if we look at the charts, that's somewhere right there, right? So just show you somewhere right there, that's where you replace your sell, and you'd have taken profits. If you do not want to risk it, you could have taken a profit here, or you've taken a profit there. And as you can see, it went down right there nicely. We also have another example right there. Here, as you can see, it went above level 85, which is somewhere here. So this is where you placed your sell trade, right? So if you had placed your sell trade right there, right, as you can see, this chart, it went all the way down, all the way up to somewhere here, somewhere around here. So just imagine the profit you'd have made just from this one trade using the minimum lot size, so you won't blow your account. Right. Now we're going to move on to Crash 1000. So listen very carefully. Okay, so here we are in our crash 1000 chart, right? So again, crash 1000, we're looking to buy. So it's opposite of what we did for boom 1000. So yeah, as you can see, you buy when the moving average goes below the level 15 right here and crosses over. So make sure it crosses over. Let me just make sure it crosses underneath, right? Comes back up and goes back inside at this level. So if we go to the chart at this level, this would be somewhere here. So say somewhere here. Wait. Yes, somewhere here. So this is where you place your buy. Yes, you place your buy there. And as you can see, price went all the way up and it's our take profit right there. So just imagine how much money you'd have made, especially with the minimum lot size if you're still beginner. So just keep that in mind. We also have another example right here. It went and crossed right there. It actually crossed twice. So what would have happened here is you would have bought here and it would have gone all the way up there and you could have taken profit there, or you could hold the trade. You could hold that trade and then it would have gone and taken profit all the way up there. And just imagine how much money you'd have made just from that one swing. Imagine one swing. So as you can see, it went all the way up there, just shot up all the way up there. So as you can see, this strategy is proven to be very efficient because I'm showing you the proof right now. This is not a trick, not a scam. It's nothing of such a sort. And if you want to learn more, I do have a Telegram channel. Link is in my bio. But the thing is, I send gold signals on the channel. I sometimes send crash and boom and volatility 75. So just check it out. I have a free channel and a VIP channel. All the links are in my description. So check it out. You can contact me if you need more info. Just don't hesitate to comment. Anyways, let's get to it. Okay, here another example right there. So as you can see, moving average went below the 15. So you'd have bought somewhere here. Place it buy, right? Then price went all the way up here. Could have taken your profit there. That's just say TP1, right? Another one here will be TP2, right? And then if you held the trade long enough, you could have taken one here. That will be TP3. Yeah, that's where you'd have taken your trade. So as you can see, guys, yeah, you can see I'm showing you these MetaTrader 5 charts, right? As you can see, you are all seeing for your own eyes, for yourself. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to share the video. Please subscribe, support me. I'm a new channel, but I've been trading for a while now. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. And please comment if you have any questions. I'd like to hear all your comments, and I do reply, so don't hesitate. Anyways, that's all for today. Thank you. See you in the next video. Oh, and before we go, I'll be posting another video, a part 2 for my volatility 75 strategy, because some of you did have questions, so I'll be making part 2 for that video. Right? All the best.